Hello, everyone, and welcome to Balkaw Diaries. Welcome to yet another episode. आणि आजचो जो एपिसोड आसा तो खूप खूप इंटरेस्टिंग जावपाचो आसा एस्पेशली पीपल हू आर हेल्थ कॉन्शियस बिकॉज आज आमच्या पॉडकास्टार आयला माझो फ्रेंड डॉक्टर सुयश मांडूरकर. सो जेन्ना जेन्ना हांव सुयशाक मेळटा आमी हेल्थ रिलेटेड अशे खुबश्यो गजाली उलयतात. माझे खुबशे अशे डिफिकल्टीज असतात ऑर सर्टन मिथ्स असतात ते हांव तेजे कडेन शेअर करता अँड ही करेक्ट्स मी बाय गिविंग द बेस्ट एडवायजीस. खुबशे जाण ताका सोशल मिडियाचेर फॉलो करतात आणि दे फॉलो हीज जर्नी. ही हॅज बीन व्हेरी वोकल अबाउट हाव वी शूड प्रायोरिटायज आवर हेल्थ. कित्याक जेन्ना आमी हेल्दी आसतले तेन्नाच आमी बरे जिवीत जगतले. सो आनी टाइम घेना. प्लीज मेक शुअर तुम्ही या व्हिडिओक लाईक करात. तुमकां कितें सांगून दिसलें जाल्यार कमेंट करात आणि तो सबस्क्राईब बटन आसा तो प्रेस करात. सो लेट्स जम्प राईट इन टू दी एपिसोड. हाय. सो सुयश, वेलकम टू द स्टुडिओ. आणि आम्ही हरशी जनरली मेळटा तेन्ना खूब उलयतात अबाउट डिफरंट टॉपिक्स आणि हेल्थाचे हांव आय जनरली आस्क यू अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स क्युरियसली. सो माझे भशेन आनी जायते जाण आसात.
थँक्यू सो मच फॉर हॅव्हिंग मी हियर. आणि आज आम्ही खबरो मारया जसो शेतां मारता तश्यो.
येस.
बट वील ट्राय टू टॉक अबाउट समथींग जे लोकांक एक्चुली हेल्प जातले बिकॉज देर आर अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स वीच आर सिंपल पण लोक ते फॉलो करना. अँड ते आय थिंक जस्ट एक प्रॉपर गायडन्स मेळ्ळें जर जाल्यार खूब लोकांक हेल्प जातले. बट आज खूब दिसांनी तुका मेळ्ळा सो बरें दिसलें. अदरवायज हांगा थंय मेळटा
Hi, hello.
प्रॉपर हातून मेळप.
So now, basically, मेरे the intention of getting you to come and speak about specifically about health नी is because आता हो पॉडकास्ट आसा तो जनरली इट्स व्हेरी मच यूथ सेंट्रीक. म्हणजे पीपल हू आर बायोलॉजिकली यंग अँड यंग एट हार्ट म्हणटा त्या भशेन. And I think if a young person, young doctor will speak about certain things, मातशे ती सिरियसनेस मातशी आनी वाडटा बिकॉज आपलेच एज ब्रॅकेटांतलो मनीस डॉक्टर कितें तरी सांगता. नाल्यार जनरली आमकां अशें एजड डॉक्टर्स बी आसा ते अशे वी टेंड टू फील की खूप तोमणो मारतात अशें म्हणून न्ही. सो दॅट वॉज द मेन इंटेंशन ऑफ आस्किंग यू टू प्लीज कम अँड जस्ट लेट्स टॉक अबाउट हेल्थ. अँड ऑल्सो you run a very successful page, I would say, which is growing pretty rapidly. Health by Suyash. So apart from this, लोकांक suppose दिसता की certain things that you share should come, they can follow that page in particular. Let's mention.
Please do follow Health Fit by Dr. Suyash. I will usually I try to bust some common myths आणि some simple health topics त्याचे नाव डिस्कशन करता. सो इट शुड बी व्हेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर एव्हरीवन.
एक्झॅक्टली. हे लोक जनरली म्हणटले की हे लास्टाक येवपाक जाय आशिल्लें म्हणून. बट एज वी सेड लायक वी आर जस्ट हॅव्हिंग अ कॉन्वर्सेशन. सो सुयश, आता मरे लायक आय वॉज आस्किंग यू बिफोर वी स्टार्टेड दिस पॉडकास्ट ऑल्सो की अबाउट द होल प्रोसेस ऑफ बिकमिंग अ डॉक्टर. what all goes into that, because पिक्चरान आमी पळयतात एवरीथिंग इज व्हेरी रोजी अँड ते 2-3 वरांचे फिल्मान वी ट्राय टू जज की ओके इतली मेहनत गेल्या आसतली ओ वॉट एवर वी. बट ऑन ग्राउंड ले मॅनाक एक कांयच आयडिया आसना की वॉट ऑल गोज इन टू बिकमिंग अ डॉक्टर. आय डोंट वॉन्ट यू टू प्ले अ विक्टम ऑर समथींग, म्हणजे आपल्याचेर इतले जुलूम जाला त्या टायप्स न्ही. आय जस्ट वॉन्ट यू टू briefly take us through the journey of becoming a doctor.
Okay. So first of all, at various stages लोकांक I feel in a young age म्हणल्यार आमी जेन्ना स्कुलान न्ही आसता, I feel at least when we were there एक holistic or एक wide approach नाशिल्लो of all the things coming and they talking about different things which are available. म्हणल्यार एक्सपोजर म्हणटा. slowly it's coming, so people can take better decisions. पयलीं सगळे कॉमन आसताले डॉक्टर, इंजिनियर, लॉयर, okay, but as the society is moving forward, I think more exposure is on the table. So भुरग्यांक आतां कळपाक सुद्दां लागला तांकां कितें जाय कितें ना. But also there is peer pressure असता, पेरेंट्सांचे प्रेशर असता, by just seeing the standards which is set outside. Now,
This is to become a doctor.
no, this is for any profession.
Okay.
So whichever society तुम्ही रावतात, थंय सायडीन they see the people around, the successful people around, आणि accordingly the pressure तुजेर असता. This is true for any profession, any society. The more the exposure, wider will be the acceptance of all the things. म्हणपाचे मुद्दो कितें की when someone sees the other person from outside, ताका ताचे फक्त बरे गजाल्यो दिसता.
Correct.
The hard part, difficult गजाल्यो जो that person puts in, they usually is overlooked, and this is true for any profession.
Exactly.
But प्रत्येक professionaचो the person who is inside that profession will only know की बाबा positives and negatives कितें ते. So as far as my MBBS journey is concerned, first of all,
Before you start, I want to ask you, was there any kind of pressure on you to become a
no,
doctor?
there was no pressure as such, but see, my parents are doctors.
Okay.
So कितें जाता की when you live with doctors, तूं तांचे वळखीचे लोकूय दोतोर असता, सो तुका एक त्या फिल्डाचे एक्सपोजर चड असता. सो that is why there is more inclination. That's how म्हणटा, if there are exposure to 100 different things, then the inclinations can be different.
Different, yes.
So though there was no pressure as such, but obviously whatever you are exposed to, तातूंत तुका कितें म्हणटात ते
रुची
निर्माण जाता. Okay, so I have seen my parents help other people, आणि म्हणजे obviously तांचे जॉब आसा, काम आसता, but so many times so many people call, help घेतात. I have seen that throughout my childhood, and I was quite inclined towards that. आता MBBS, luckily for me, म्हाका like unlike most of the people, आता ड्रॉप घेवपाची बी for MBBS गरज पडना. I got it in the first shot. हांवें कित्याक सांगता तें सुद्दां हांव तुका सांगतलो, which is very important. आणि the MBBS journey, you meet different kinds of people. And I will say ki anyone who wants to join MBBS, your journey and your life will be different, okay, as compared to your non-MBBS friends. Most of my friends are engineers. I have seen their journey and I have seen my journey. Maybe I have not seen their journey because maka third time मेळना आशिल्लो, but they must have seen. Hardly हांव तांकां मेळटालो and all those things. But luckily I have good set of friends who are just still म्हाका हें करनाशिल्ले. They used to never say की बाबा तूं नाच मरे, all those things. Never, they used to understand my situation as well. But MBBS is a completely, now you have to live that life. तुका interest आसा, आवड आसा, then it's a very nice field, because you get to know so many things about your body. आणि जर तुका आवड आसा, you will go one step ahead and understand की how different things affect your body in different ways. It's very interesting. आणि तू जितलो तातून एफर्ट्स आणि इंटरेस्ट चड घालतलो तितलो यू विल गेट टू नो अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स अबाउट युअर ह्युमन बॉडी अँड हाव ईच अँड एवरी बॉडी इज डिफरंट. सो मे बी जे तुका लागता तेच म्हाका लागतलें तितल्याच हातून डजंट वर्क लायक दॅट. बट इट्स व्हेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर जनरल पीपल टू नो, बिकॉज आय फील करंटली जे आमी हातून रावता, वी आर व्हेरी प्रॉडक्ट बेस्ड सोसायटी. म्हणल्यार वी गो, वी pay money, we take the product and we judge the based on the product. तातून तू आपलो रोल केन्नाच नसता. So suppose you go and you buy headphones आणि तू headphones लायले, आवाज आयलो, येवना, आवडले, आवडना, you blame it on the product, because it's a product based. Whereas MBBS आणि medical field is not like that, but unfortunately people can't understand that. A young doctor should also realize the mindset of the people. When you go to a doctor will give you service. There is never a guarantee, because we always see ki baba, these are the symptoms, this is the diagnosis, आनी चड लोकांक अशें आसा चड लोकांचो दिस इज द मोस्ट लायकली डायग्नोसीस एंड वी गिव द ट्रिटमेंट. ना तुका जर सपोज 101 जोर आयला म्हाका 101 जोर आयला आमी दोगूय जाण डोलो 650 घेता दोगांचो दोर तितलोच देंवतलो तितल्याच टायमान देंवतलो देर इज नथींग बिकॉज ईच एंड एवरी बॉडी इज डिफरंट. अनफॉर्च्युनेटली हे जनरल पब्लिकान तितले it's not in their mindset to understand. A doctor understands this, but a general public doesn't understand. ताज्या खातीर न्ही once you are out, the expectations from doctors and doctors' expectation from people are different. So that's why आता हातून मातशें न्ही I've seen some amount of friction sometimes, but in general, Goa is a very nice place for you to become a doctor. People are also, at least they are up till this point, very कितें म्हणटात ते इनवायटींग आनी तूं जे तांकां सांगता दे युजली डू इट.
So
So
it
now
is basically how I am trying to understand it is that to get number 5 as your, you know, tuka, it can be 2 plus 3 equals to 5.
हाँ,
or it can
yeah,
be 2
yeah,
plus
correct.
1
2 plus 2 is not always 4.
exactly.
This is the mantra.
Mantra. Because yes, I think what तू कितें सांगता ते it makes sense to me की they feel आनी बरें कितें जालां खुबशे म्हाका दिसता हे psychologically people are you know made to think like that की बाबा डॉक्टर भगवान का रूप होता है म्हणटा त्या भशेन but so the expectations are little
I
bit
think, I mean, we are very much influenced by our film industry and
Correct.
कित्याक these are not a normal thing कि एवं डॉक्टर भगवान होता है and all. I feel everyone puts in their efforts to give the best treatment.
Absolutely.
आणि there are many things which are happening these days जे ऐकून केन्ना केन्ना त्रास जाता because usually we understand how other doctor
must have come to that conclusion.
yeah, but then the outlook from the general public is different. So main now the thing is की पयलीं न्ही एक 30-40 वर्सां पयलीं people used to join medical field because थंय respect आसतालो. Unfortunately, I don't see the respect. Okay, आता reasons may be hundreds. Like, okay, हांव कोणाक डिफेंड करता or कोणाक blame करता अशें ना, but you have to understand the mindset in the society is changing. In each and every field it is changing, each and every aspect is changing, and even in this field it is changing. So जी लोक आता मेडिकलाक वचपाक सोदता they actually have to see whether they are very much interested in the subject, because if they are, they'll do really well and their life will be very good. If they go in this field with an expectation ki baba maka respect मेळटलो, then sometimes you don't get that respect. Okay, so in that case they will become disappointed. Okay, so because yeah, I've seen many people putting so much effort आणि in India especially, I will speak only of India, बाकीचे म्हाका हें खबर ना. In India medical life is totally different as compared to the other fields. So पयलीं आमकां 4-4.5 वर्सां UG आसता and UG आणि the level from 12 to that MBBS level, the scale, the jump is very high.
Okay.
Because
yeah, so this is something that I really want you to, you know, म्हणजे elaborate a little bit. कित्याक मरे खुबशे जाणांक तशें दिसता ते की बेश्टे वयता आनी you know सगळें जाता म्हणून. So yeah, so this you can speak a little bit about that. How steep is that, you know, incline? की आता आमी अशें आसा पळय, we are from like I have done commerce for 11th 12th and then I did arts. So relatively if school was here, then higher secondary was somewhere here, कळ्ळें न्ही? And
yeah,
then
that's the
college
first
was,
jump which you have,
yeah,
real jump in the level
and
of
college was okay somewhere here, but I think in your ways it is like if 12th is here then
yeah, especially that's true because कितें जाता, I'll speak for myself, my journey. So 11th 12th physics, chemistry, biology, more was on concept based. Okay, you know the concept, you need not know each and every word of the concept, you have to know to apply. Medicalak also the thing is the same. You need to know the concept, you need to apply, but it is a step-wise process. जेन्ना आमकां first year जेन्ना आमी वता, it is a preclinical subjects. Preclinical subjects म्हणून आमची anatomy, physiology, how a human body is, how human body functions, तातूंत biochemical changes कितें जाता. So concepts are there, but each and every word of the concept becomes important. So तुका you have to remember those words, because if you don't remember the words, हे जायना. So आणि ऑल्सो कितें जातालें, पयलीं 2 weeks जावन एक हें शिकलो, then it's a reset when you go to other body part. It's completely you start it all over again. But one good thing which we had, ki the circle which you get, if they are very much interested in learning, तुका एक हें मेळटा, you also join them and you also understand and learn things. But one more thing, we underestimate our human mind. Human mind, human brain, आमी खूब underestimate करता. The first day you open the thing, first 2 days when the professor comes and teaches you, तू म्हणटा हें आपल्याकडे कशें जातलें. But within a month, if you see, you are doing all those things which you had not expected that you can do 1 month back. But each and every day, first entire year, each and every day you have to put in the work so that you remember. And also, then you get into that state where your understanding capability, memorizing capability increase jata, because you're keeping on doing it. If you're doing one thing, then obviously you get better at it. So second year, third year, you start getting into the flow. But then final year also, like subjects खूप असता in short span of time. And it's a journey by itself. Those who are interested should go because they love it. But it's not all rosy. जशे पिक्चरान दाखयता, especially many people used to watch Sanjeevani, Dil Mil Gaye, and they used to expect ki that will be the life. It's not. But if that serial portrayed medical in a very good way, it's a good thing for the medical field, because more and more people will
be attracted
and will be interested to know about it. But थंयच्यान तुजो second process start जावपाक जाय. Now you have to know about it, and are you really want to तातून वचून you want to dedicate your life for that, जाल्यार it's very good. Then आमकां एक वर्स internship असता where the real test begins, because first 4 years आमकां usually it is about studying, learning, and आमकां patient interactions असता because we have clinics and all, but ताजेर आमकां classes घेता. Internship is the time when you actually work in real departments and do the real work. Okay, so
this internship is for 1
year.
1 year. Yeah.
1 year.
And is it like तुका department एक वर्षा खातीर
ना you तुका rotational basis चे internship असता. So that is the time actually कितें जाता, so many people okay, so as a doctor, at least for me, internship is the most interesting and enjoyable time of your life, because that's the time when you start doing procedures. That's the time you actually start interacting and working with the department and for the patient. You learn the functioning of the departments. At the same time, that's the last year you are going to have your MBBS group with you. After that, everyone will disperse.
And don't mind me asking, but like internship every day timing कितें आसता roughly?
So
because why I'm asking you that is like a lot of my friends who are like, you know, have done MBBS and internship bhi kartale, then they were like a bit of like complaining ki
no, that's because see, normally 8 to 5 usually आमचो timing astalo. But then every third or fourth day, depending on the department, you have to do a night duty.
Okay.
Now, whenever I speak about night duty, a lay person will say ki baba 5 yo, next day 8 log yetakar watch. It doesn't work out like that. 8 o'clock in the morning you start. Whole night tu काम कर, आणि most of the fields and तुका रातची न्हिदपाक मेळना, because as an intern you do the groundwork. Okay, groundwork म्हणून see, there are consultants, residents, interns. So junior residents, interns, they do the groundwork. Okay, decision making magir senior residents bhi karta. So basically all these people, senior resident, junior resident, interns, tanko should 36 hours duty at a stretch, where most of the time you cannot sleep. Okay, and then the next day you have to work. 8 o'clock again the normal routine starts. मागीर तुका केन्ना केन्ना रातभर काम केन्ना केन्ना न्ही, like it happens
Most of
very often
because
twice a week.
वर्कलोड पेशंट लोड तितलो
And one more thing is, you can't compare it to your night outs. No one, because night outs your responsibility is zero. तू बस जागो around कितेंय कर. कित्याक many people say अरे कितें doctors complain करता रातभर जागे रावचे. We have also done it, but at that time you have to work at 100% efficiency and make sure that the patients get the timely treatment in the timely zone. So it is tough, but the sad reality is it is happening all over the country. There are days where we have to do, like especially weekend bhi eta pay, then we have to do 60 hours duty at a stretch.
Oh,
Okay, and the conditions are even worse outside Goa. But hopefully things will change. And एक mindset as I feel there is a mindset among the like senior people, and I am not saying only in terms of medicine, but it is general. हे असता कि if we can do it, why can't they? But I feel as we go into newer and newer era of world, new problems are coming up, new solutions are coming up. If you have solutions, then why तू आतां पयलीं पणजेच्यान लेट्स से मडगांव वचपाक जाय, तुका 2-3 बसी घेवच्यो पडटाल्यो, चलत वचचें पडटालें. नाव यू हॅव अ कार. वाय वूड यू नॉट यूज युअर कार? आपल्या पेरेंट्सान केला म्हणून आपल्यान नो. इफ यू हॅव अ बेटर लाईफ, देन वाय नॉट लिव्ह अ बेटर?
yes, it's
So
a very
make the situations better for the junior doctors, because of which they will be able to function at 100% efficiency every single day, so that they will be able to give better treatment and care to the patient. So actually if you see, it is win-win situation. But in India, amcho doctor to patient ratio is not very good. Things are bit different in Goa, where amka eka patient 4 dotor मेळटले. But most of the country, the ratio is not good. So there are very less doctors. Hospitals are busy, and then most of the hospitals follow this. And at the end, you are drained, tired, and even at the end of like 55th hour without sleep, you expect to sometimes treat a life-threatening condition. So this is the harsh reality. But hopefully, most of the doctors get into this, and they are trying to bring about a change. Hopefully one day things will be better, and we will also get proper आणि one more thing, केन्ना हे डॉक्टर्स जेन्ना येवन म्हणटात पळय की वी वॉन्ट बेटर वर्किंग कंडिशन, एंड नो वन इज कंप्लेनिंग की बाबा आमकां काम करपाक नाका. समटायम्स
Yes.
पीपल थिंक की हांकां काम करपाक नाका. त्या 8 वरां नाल्यार 24 hours where they will work with their whole and soul. Only thing, the situation can be better, and I think it should become, or I hope it will become better, because actually field is very nice. You do a very good job, you can help patients, they are also happy. But जर तू 50 hours 60 hours, then you are also cranky. मागीर एक सिंपल हेजेर मागीर लोक म्हणटा दोतोर तापलो. 60 वरां न्हिदून आशिल्लो दोतोराक जर तूं सिंपल क्वेश्चन विचारल्यार, मोस्ट ऑफ देम आर नॉट इन द कंडिशन. सो बिकॉज वॉट पेशंट सीज की आपल्यान बाबा सिंपल क्वेश्चन विचारिल्लो, हाजेर कित्याक कोणाक राग येवपाक जाय? दे आर ऑल्सो करेक्ट इन देयर ओन वे. You don't expect a simple question to be replied with, yeah. But then everyone is overworked, drained. And because of this, the lifestyle also becomes very bad. I have seen, because you don't sleep. So basically, I will just divert into like more health oriented aspect rather than this, because खूप लोक म्हणटा दोतोर व्हडले व्हडले आमकां सांगता, एंड आपुणूच आपूण कसो दिसता तो पळय. लायक फॉर एग्जाम्पल डॉक्टर इज फॅट, ओके जाल्यार, बट तातूंत कितें आसता की वेन यू आर नॉट स्लिपींग इनफ, तुका टायमार खावपाक मेळना, you 10, 12, 14 वरां you have not eaten anything, you have not slept for last 2 days. So when we say about dopamine and serotonin, so what is the method of getting the dopamine and serotonin? Food. So one time when you are getting the food, after let's say 16 hours, you are going to go for the food which will give you the biggest dopamine hit. So mostly कितें आसता तें high in fat, high in
Sugar
sodium,
level.
high in sugar, and that's when you feel. तू खूप भुरग्यांक पळयला आसतलें ते बुकांनी, आय डोंट नो इफ यू सीन बुकांनी न्ही एज अ इन्सेंटीव वेन वी यूज टू प्रिपेर फॉर आर नीट. सो हांवें तुका सांगिल्लें, लकीली आय गॉट इन माय फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट,
Yeah.
बट पीजी म्हाका 1-2 वर्सां दिवची पडली. सो दॅट टायम द लायफस्टायल एंड द मायंडसेट कंप्लिटली चेंजीस.
Okay.
So I have seen many people कितें करताले, incentive to like study so much ते ताच्या मागीर पोना चॉकलेट्स घालताले.
Okay.
So 100 पेजी वाचल्यो, that will be one chocolate.
Oh.
Not justifying and not defending, but जेन्ना तुका बाकीचे modes of dopamine हे मेळना, then you start reverting to these things, which ultimately takes toll on your health.
Hmm.
Okay, but at that time your mental health is more important than your rest of the so ते तशें करता, and that's the thing which keeps you running till the end of 60 hours, and at the end of 60 hours you are just going to go and do one thing: sleep, nothing else. तू थंय खावपाक बसपाना, no one is going to eat. 60 वरां न्हिदूना, 60 वरां खावूना, first thing you are going to do is go and sleep, because you can just pop some chocolate and go and sleep. Okay, so this is
Yeah.
the
Basically on a smaller scale, we also do like that. Who are into filmmaking and photography and all that. की एक रूल आसा तो आमी जनरली फॉलो करता. तुका न्हिदपाक टायम मेळटा, लायक हाफ एन आवर सुद्दां मदीं ब्रेक मेळ्ळो, न्हीद.
correct.
जेन्ना जेवण मेळटा, जेव. You don't
Correct.
say ki no, it's not the
Correct,
time.
correct.
So, but if I just can't compare it to what doctors go through. Okay, but in this bid, Mera, I wanted to ask you something that I am totally curious about. I want to know, and I think general public also would want to know, is एक तो mindset दवरचो पडटा डॉक्टर्सांक की स्पेशली वेन यू आर डुईंग इंटर्नशिप इज की इफ आई एम नॉट what's the right word, if I'm not functioning at my optimum, this person may die.
Correct, absolutely correct.
Yeah, so for a layman like me, म्हाका लागून एक मनीस मेलो, ही responsibility even to think about it is like it's unimaginable.
Correct.
So एक डॉक्टराचो माइंडसेट कितें आसतलो, what do you all go through when you all have to think of this on a regular basis, especially during the internship part of it, की आपूण if I'm not functioning at my optimum level, if I'm not doing the right kind of diagnosis or right kind of application of what I have studied, that person might lose his life. So how do you all get prepared
Okay,
for it?
so Atun, I will एक context set करता. So interns असता पळय, it's a learning phase for them. They are not directly responsible for management of the patient. So if an intern doesn't, so life directly internaच्या हातान नासता. But if intern is not functioning properly, then there will be a problem, smooth functioning जावपाना of the entire department in managing. So that is why intern becomes important. Mainly internship is for the interns. They have to learn as many things as they can. आणि एक इंटर्नशिपीन तुका खंयच्या खंयच्या डिपार्टमेंटान कशें काम आसता आनी कशो काम कितें म्हणटा तें काम, लायक वर्क, आनी वॉट इज द वर्क एनवायरमेंट आनी द फंक्शनींग ऑफ द डिपार्टमेंट्स ते तुका कळटा. इफ यू पुट इन इनफ एफर्ट्स, हें सगळें तुका कळटलें, आनी बाय द एंड ऑफ इंटर्नशीप न्ही एक लोकांक आयडिया आयिल्ली आसता की वीच सब्जेक्ट दे डोंट वॉन्ट टू टेक, and there are few who will be 100% sure कि this is the subject I want to take. बिकॉज केन्ना केन्ना कितें जाता द सब्जेक्ट विच इज व्हेरी इंटरेस्टिंग ड्युरिंग MBBS शिकता तेन्ना that may not be the very ideal subject when they see the lifestyle of that department आणि कित्याक ती lifestyle you have to live the for your entire
Rest
life
of your
न्ही?
life. It's like
So-
getting married to that subject.
Correct. So कितें जाता की internship is actually for the interns more than for the patients and it's for the interns. They have to make the best use of it, learn as much as they can, and obviously learn कितें म्हणटालो हांव ते दुसरे learn the procedures, learn the skills, basic skills, learn the functioning of the department, and then you can see ki baba apun where I want to reach. Now when each and every department and when you take a PG admission, the admission घेवपाचे process has become a mess today because NEET PG so many people are giving answering exams over and over again. Number is keeping on increasing and the mental stress that a person has to go through during that time is a lot. Okay, it's not simple to go. There are people who study for 10 to 14 hours at a stretch. At the same time you have to keep your self-esteem up because you see your friends doing post graduation. Sometimes you those self-doubt questions at that.
So those people are doing post graduation, but you are not because you have not cleared. It's something
Clear
like
अशें
that.
न्ही. See, कितें आसता obviously you have to clear the exams. Most of the people will clear, but तुका to get the field which you want, your rank may not be high. मागीर also you may not get the field of your choice in a particular college. Like I'll just give an example. This is it's not a researched backed example, but this is just an example. Let's say you want to do psychiatry. Okay, psychiatry involves speaking with patients. Most of the work is speaking with patients. Ulai, and you will be able to get the extract whatever patient is going through. Now let's say a person from Goa, Maharashtra, North India gets a psychiatry seat in Tamil Nadu. Okay, now as a psychiatrist, the patients over there will speak only Tamil. Okay, and there is no way you are going to be so fluent and good in Tamil within a span of 1 to 2 years that you will be able to understand deepest things what a patient is saying. I'm psychiatry म्हणटा because this is the field where you have to talk and get the information the most. Like if ortho and all the basic 4-5 words and all, they will be able to manage.
Go for yeah.
Okay, so certain अशें हें आसता. Sometimes you don't want to go somewhere else. Sometimes कितें आसता की when we take a PG field न्ही, we everywhere it is busy. No one says की बाबा थंय 60 वरांची ड्युटी करची पडटली. No one thinks about it because you know everywhere what people think is आपल्याक थंय exposure to the patients कितलो मेळटलो, exposure to the clinical skills, surgeries कितलो मेळटलो. Let's say if you go to let's say a private institution. Okay, private institution and the chances of you getting the surgeries are less. The senior most person, the HOD will do the surgeries. So अशें करून that's why many doctors prefer government hospitals because the exposure is more. Skill तांकां upskill करपाक हें बरें जाता. So these are the reasons why you may not take the seat this year and you are preparing for the next year. But कितें जाता, you see your friends doing their and तूं एकटोच थंय बशिल्लो आसता शिकत आनी there is nothing else in your life. एका म्हज्या सिनियरान म्हाका सांगिल्लें की every day 1 hour he used to go for swimming.
Okay.
During PG preparation. And then in the evening he used to play some sport, I think badminton or something. And मदी शिकतालो म्हणून. But most will not tell you this. Most will not tell you न्ही, most will not do this. Most will be like सकाळी उठले संक स्टार्ट केले 12 वरां 14 वरां गेले. So but आता म्हाका दिसता I should have actually listened to that first day because म्हज्या पर्सनल एक्सपिरियन्साचेर when I changed to that lifestyle it really helped me. But पयलीं तें जायना. You tend to follow the crowd. 99% people are slogging for 14 hours. I will also slog for 14 hours. But then you have to understand ki baba I am आपलें हें कितें. What are the things which I like? If playing or running for 1 to 2 hours will help you study that 14 hours सब्जेक्ट इन 7 hours, ते पूण तेन्ना स्ट्रायक जायना. तेन्ना यू आर इन दॅट रेस की बाबा सगळीं शिकता, आपले जायना काय.
आणि खंय ना खंय गिल्ट फॅक्टरूय येतलो न्ही.
गिल्ट म्हणना हांव, बट सेल्फ डाउट येवपाक शकता.
मिनींग लायक why am I doing this? I should be studying something like that.
तशें जावपाक शकता, तशें जावपाक शकता. बट कितें आसता, दॅट्स अ व्हेरी 21, 22. नॉट एवरीवन इज मॅच्युअर टू रियलायज दिस. हें सगळें हांव मागीर म्हज्या लेट 20s आय हॅव रियलायज्ड की बाबा ना, इट डजंट मॅटर की तूं 1-2 वरां कमी शिकलो. एंड इट्स नॉट द अमाउंट hours that you put in. It's actually what you study and what you retain. बट पयलीं तशें नासता. 14 वरां 14 वरां, 12 वरां 12 वरां. And there's some things which we hear about how people are studying in like some other states. It's very crazy. But yeah, so it's quite tough on your mental and emotional state. तुझ्या फॅमिली कडल्यान तुका सी फॅमिली सपोर्ट एंड ऑल एवरीथिंग इज इम्पॉर्टंट ते म्हणटात, बट इट्स मेनली युअर ओन मेंटल स्ट्रेंथ. युअर फॅमिली मे सपोर्ट यू. इफ यू आर नॉट स्ट्रॉंग इनफ, यू विल नॉट डू इट. If your family is not supporting but you are strong enough, then you will do it. So main thing, you should realize what you like कितें करता पळय तूं, is it worth, then you do it. So magir at the end of 2 years, then you take a seat and you join. Now junior residency is also the same with more responsibilities. 60 hours, 36 hours, 60 hours. Then you become SR and it continues. By the end कितें जाता, you get used to it, but then your body still suffers. Even after 5 years you are getting used to it, it still suffers. If I don't sleep the previous day, the next day I am still not feeling 100%. So हे चालू असता. एंड जशें तुवें विचारलं द मेन क्वेश्चन की how do you feel की 100% आपल्याक दिवपाक जाय, otherwise patient may die. That as we usually don't have to think it because ते आमच्या हातून inbuilt नसता. But it, when you start working with that, obviously you work through the departments, you see other people working, and then it becomes कितें म्हणटा ते, it's always there. आणि let me be clear, it's not easy to see death. I used to get so upset when कोविडान नाका आशिल्ले they एलिगेशन्स धाडटाले आनी मुद्दम मारला आसतलो, कितें कितें म्हणटाले. इट्स नॉट इजी टू सी एनीवन डाय. इवन आफ्टर सीइंग हंड्रेड्स ऑफ डेथ, इट इज नॉट इजी टू सी अ डेथ. सो नो वन, एवरी डॉक्टर हैज गुड इंटेंशन्स फॉर हिज पेशंट्स. समटायम्स थिंग्स डोंट गो दॅट वेल, बट कोण अशे पेशंटा खातीर वायट इंटेंशनान केन्नाच कांय करना. ओके, दॅट ऑल्सो लायक इट्स द मायंडसेट ऑफ अ person who goes through a medical field versus a patient who doesn't go through a medical field. With regards to medicine म्हणटा, obviously तांचे in their own field तांचे हे वेगळे आसतले, is very different. So that is where the gap is, and that is where I feel more doctors should come out and speak about these things so that people also realize ki baba, okay, this is the situation. And also doctors have to think through patient's lens. But when a doctor, you expect a doctor seeing through patient's lens, especially in that government sector when he is doing an internship or residency, you have to give him that like you can't expect him to work for 48 hours and then you have to like see through their lens. At that time your mind is not receptive. Okay, so the 100% दिवपाचे is and everyone knows it. And if something goes wrong, no doctor feels good. Okay, they obviously feel bad ki baba, we did everything and something has gone wrong. But that's the कितें म्हणटा ते, part and parcel of the field. But yeah, but most often than not, okay, this is one thing I realized when I started looking at my field from a third person's perspective. एक 2-3 but कितें म्हणटा ते, 2 or 3 things may go wrong, but the 97 times when you are right, I think we don't celebrate it enough.
Yeah.
Okay, every day you sit in your OPD, 20 to 30 patients to पळयता at least. some people will see less, some more. कितें sort. Most of the times you help them. They come with some expectations. They get that expectations. Most of them from life-threatening situations. Yeah. And you don't tend to like think about it when you are in that flow state in government. जालो patient are discharge मरे चल बरं करून वच. बरं कर हे सांगला पळय हांवें. But then you don't realize it unless you see from the third person's perspective की बाबा तो आयलो तेन्ना he was in such a bad state and now he's going out walking. So then some don't think sometimes those patients you meet them and then like doctor too याद आसा I've seen like things happening to me and also things happening to my colleagues where out of the blue someone comes दोतोर याद ना I was about to die तुम्ही आमकां हें केलें so such things मागीर they are really precious things.
Yeah.
And I feel somewhere we fail to cherish those precious moments. And that's why you tend to focus only on negatives and these precious moments. If a general person, if you are walking on the road, you see a toddler running on the road, फुडल्यान गाडी येता, तुवें ती गाडी येतल्यान ताका फाटल्यान हाडलो ओडून आनी the car misses the child. तुका भितरल्यान खूब बरें दिसता की I could save a life.
Yeah.
But when we are saving lives, like so many lives through our field, I feel we don't cherish it enough.
Exactly.
See, it is a part and parcel of our life. That is what is expected from us. But still, somewhere you should be ki baba na आज आपल्यान इतले 20 patients I saw. 20 15 patients were okay. 1 or 2 were very serious. तांकां बरे हे दिले. You should be, like celebrate small things. In small groups you celebrate. So that कितें जाता ना की एक तुका न्ही focus on positive सुद्धा न्ही उरता. एक I don't know, this is quite simple but I will simplify it further. You go to a restaurant, you eat something, you see Google review 2. अरे 2 इतलं जेवण बरें आशिल्लें. That's because the 100 people who have liked the food have not gone back and put the rating.
Review, yeah.
But those 2 or 3 who had bad experience, they have immediately gone and put the review. So this is from even the customers and your own point of view. So if someone is saying that हाजेकडे इतले प्रॉब्लेम जाले, that's because ज्यांच्याकडे प्रॉब्लेम जावना जांकां they have not gone and said की आपले बरें जाला. Similarly, if you do 100 good things and 1 bad thing म्हणना, but 1 bad outcome, you tend to focus only on 1 bad outcome. And the 99 things that, so this is very important in any field. Start cherishing small little things, good things that you do in your life.
I think also it is a responsibility, not responsibility I would say, but like at the back of mind, like patients also should be grateful to them now. Then might it is putting the doctors in a how to say in a victim kind of a state. They should at least be thankful कि certain things like I am very thankful of especially GMC and the doctors at GMC who have literally saved my life, no doubt about it, but also saved my limb. Like in 2014 म्हाका accident जाल्लो wherein I broke both my legs. So this was like a internal, like this left leg was like internally broken and this was like totally broken and almost the like ankle parent also it was hanging, it was totally gone and I woke up in the pool of blood and I'm trying to get up and पाय हालना and because of that adrenaline you are not feeling
the pain. Yeah.
But you are in pool of blood. Then I lied down and I relaxed, try to calm myself down. मागीर एम्बुलन्स हाका पयलें एम्बुलन्स पावना टायमार सो पुलिसाच्या गाडयेन म्हाका घालताले तितल्यान एम्बुलन्स आयले वेले ऑल दॅट हॅपन्ड एंड ऑल आनी जालो म्हणटो पयलीं हॉस्पिसियोन व्हेलो मागीर थंयच्यान जीएमसीन व्हेलो जीएमसी दे डीड गुड जॉब म्हणजे हांगा रॉड दोनी पांयाक रॉड आशिल्लो एका एक्सटर्नल फिक्सेटर आशिल्लो आनी बिकॉज देर वॉज ओपन वूंड टायप न्ही सो तेका ते हे प्लास्टीक सर्जरी करपाचें आशिल्लें सो दे हॅव टेकन स्कीन फ्रॉम हियर एंड पुट इट ग्राफ्टेड इट ओवर हियर एंड देन पुट द दीस I was really okay. I was happy की जाला बरे भशेन ट्रीटमेंट जाला माझो. It is I can walk. It took time, but I could walk. Everything was fine. Everything is properly functioning. Not even I didn't even lose one single finger. कळ्ळें तुका न्ही?
इतले हे जाऊन म्हण.
हय इतलो म्हणजे इतलो बरो म्हाका ट्रीटमेंट मेळ्ळो की एवरीथिंग वॉज फायन. Still, I was like not very great. I would not say grateful. Was not taking it that seriously. But until one day, I was in Mumbai and talking to one of the doctors from Breach Candy, and I happened to share my experience, showed my scars. They told me such a premier hospital. They told me, yeah, injury. If you had come in our hospital, we would say amputate.
Amputate.
So the fact that I'm standing here, so I'm getting goosebumps, standing here without losing a single finger, it is all thanks to the doctors who were there at that point of time.
Yeah, so that's the but how can I म्हणता की see when a patient comes to the doctor, he expects the minimum whatever is expected. So that is why maybe some people are grateful, some people are not. Okay, that's patient's perspective.
Yeah.
But as far as I'm concerned, if a patient सगळे जाऊन बरे जाऊन patient walks off without saying thank you and all, I'm okay with it. I don't need my patients to be very grateful to me. But उलटे असपा जायना. Then it hurts. Like you put in so much effort आणि मागीर तोच तू वचून तुका वाईट म्हणटा. त्यांना राग येता.
Crazy.
त्यांना राग येता. But then each and every person is different. Some people may want a simple thank you and whatever. But how I was speaking from our perspective. आता तू इतली स्टोरी तुझी शेअर केल्या. It's a really कितें miracle I would not say. Maybe a miracle की they could save your legs. What you went through. Okay, आणि त्यांनी ब्रिज कँडीच्या डॉक्टरांनी बी म्हटले की they might have amputated and GMC doctors. There is a high possibility की जेन्ना तुका त्यांनी डिस्चार्ज बी केलो, they must have given you हे and they must have forgotten about it. की ते म्हणतात पळय, do good things and forget about it. Okay, it's a very nice and most of the doctors function on that principle. But I feel sometimes we can celebrate something. Celebrate म्हणून व्हडली वचून पार्टी करपी म्हणना, but just have a small congratulate each other on. Because see, if anything goes wrong, आमी आपोवन तापोवपाक everyone is ready. But when something good happens, then just call those people, whoever has done a good job. Just pat on the back. I'm not saying from the patient's perspective, but as their seniors can at least do it.
And juniors respect the seniors so much. A lot. I've seen that. And especially I've seen ki more than getting help from the professors and all, the seniors are always there for the juniors.
Basically the hospital is run by the residents and consultants are there to like guide them. But as in GMC आमकां इतलो patient load असता की by the time we are out of like junior residency सुद्धा, जेन्ना we get our postgrad degree and 1 वर्ष of senior residency, we are very much capable of running our practice. इतले exposure असता. So that's a good thing. And Goa Medical College is a good college also. But there are a few things which can improve, but also the mindset of everyone is important. Like how your mentor is, how much the mentor is going to help you, how he'll treat you in good things and bad things. Because see, केन्ना कितें wrong जाता, it is very important for someone to tell that that thing is wrong and where it went wrong. But it is also important कि जेन्ना कितें wrong जाता, the first thing is the person himself is feeling bad. Okay? At that time you need to like support him. Let him come out of it. Then you sit and then you discuss. कितें कोण कितें मुद्दम वाईट करना. I'm not talking in a medical point of view. Any time, anywhere in their life. Suppose तुझ्या हातान कितें wrong जाता which hurts or troubles the other person, you yourself will feel bad. So third person should not come and make you feel even worse. तूं पयलीं ताका हें कर, हेल्प कर. This especially happens with parents. भुरगो एग्जामीन फेल जालो. ओके, अनलेस you know how your child is. सामको इनकन्सिडरेट बी असलो वेगळी गजाल तो त्या एग्जामीन फेल जाला हासता. But if he fails in the exam, there is a chance that he will feel bad. So just don't come out with blazing guns and taka white man, because then he will shut himself to you people.
Correct.
Because he'll think that Baba, these people never understand me. Once that entire thing is solved once he's fine after like 2 days, 3 days, 7 days, then you sit together and discuss ki Baba, what went wrong and what can be done for the future here. So that is another important thing. Ki appreciate the good things which you do. Whenever bad thing happens, give the support, and then once the things are well, then you start. Then you start analyzing what went wrong, how it went wrong, and what can be done. Because pain asta, physical pain, mental pain, emotional pain is a very it's a state where we cannot and shouldn't take the decisions. I don't remember ek kanchitari, I think I'd seen a documentary, heard about a documentary, or seen but I don't remember. I think it's about that flight crash in Chile. I don't know if people have heard about it. The Andes mountain, the flight had got stuck for 70 days or something.
This is ये मरे किती ते
Some private
some series have come.
I don't know, but म्हणजे ते
Snow Society काय म्हणून असे कितीतरी.
I have not seen the documentary actually, but I don't remember is this from this context. एक हे असा की त्या मनशाच्या पोटान न्ही some sharp object has gone and he's in agony. तो सांगतो ते बंदूक असा ते उबार आणि आपल्याचेर गुळी घाल म्हणून. I cite this example very often because when you are in pain, you can't think properly. आता तू ते गनाकडे असा, you know that this is not the option. You will take him out, हे करून हॉस्पिटलान व्हरतलो, all those things. So whenever anyone is in physical, mental or emotional pain, first thing you should do is do everything to get him out of the pain, and then you start analyzing the thing. तेन्नाच जर तू ताका आनी हे करतलो न्ही, problem is never going to get solved. And he's not going to ever open up to you. So I feel this is easier said than done. I am also trying to apply it in my own life. Ki baba, so those are the two important things that we have to learn. So आणि we need to कितें म्हणटात ते practice.
So सुयश तू मरे उदळ उलयतालो तेन्ना मरे म्हाका एक अशें तकलेन आयलें ते आतां आमची मेडिकल नॉलेज तितली ना. वी आर आम्ही पिक्चरान कितें पळयलां ते. सो मुन्ना भाई तो म्हणटा पळय 206 टाइप का हड्डी है, तोड़ने के टाइम आपण सोचते हैं क्या म्हणटा पळय. सो बट तू जेन्ना सांगतालो तेन्ना म्हाका एक रियलायझेशन जालें की 206 टाइप का हड्डी है आणि उस हर एक हड्डी का सेपरेट नाम है.
हर हड्डी का सेपरेट नाम है, their shape is different, size is different, आणि ताजेर एका हाजेर like 5 to 10 different muscles attached jata, and all these things we have to learn in first year at which point and all. So
Wow.
that takes a toll initially.
So बोन जाले तेजे नाव याद उरपाक जाय.
Muscles.
मसलाचे नाव.
Nerves. Nerves and plexus,
Oh my
arteries,
God.
veins, and we also need to know the position, exact location, खंयच्यान कशी येता course of that with proper nomenclature की खंयच्यान येता, खंयच्या मसल्सांतल्यान येता.
Crazy.
But पयली दिसता की कित्याक घेतलें, but then when you actually apply it, when you are going to operate in that area, तुका जर खबर ना खंयच्यान नर्व येतली आनी खंयच्यान आर्टरी येतली, you are going to damage it. So हे तुका तो कॉन्टेक्स्ट एंड पर्स्पेक्टिव्ह मागीर येता when you are in the third year. अरे इतले कित्याक अशें दिसता.
इवन स्किन सुद्धा असतं तेकाय बीन खूप लेयर्स अँड एव्हरी लेयर हॅज अ नेम न्ही.
Yeah.
सो म्हणजे साध्या हितून चिंतपाक गेला जाल्यार द बॉडी इज सो डॅम कॉम्प्लेक्स मॅन.
It is. But आणि एक important point न्ही, I forgot to की हातून कितें जाता, I have seen when we are in 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, I don't know if still जाता जाल्यार, but some parts of the portion दिस इज नॉट इम्पॉर्टंट फॉर यू, दिस इज नॉट इम्पॉर्टंट, हे कॅन्सल कर, अशें आसतालें आमकां.
हय.
हातूंतल्यान क्वेश्चन्स विचारपाक. आय डोंट अंडरस्टँड तशें. यू हॅव टू फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तूं जाता तितलो एक्सपोजर दी न्ही. यू कॉन्सन्ट्रेट लेस ऑन द मार्क्स बट मोर ऑन द एज्युकेशन.
एज्युकेशन, या.
कित्याक बिकॉज इफ यू आर यूज टू सीइंग 100% अँड स्टडी 70% आउट ऑफ इट, ज्या दिसा तुका 100% शिकचें पडटलें पळय, तेन्ना यू आर लायक हें सोडपाक शकता काय, हें सोडपाक शकता काय.
एक्झॅक्टली.
सो दॅट शुड नॉट बी देर. तू मार्क्स कमी पडल्यार बोवाळ घाल नाका, बट डोंट.
No, I think this is the difference between a professional and somebody who's studying only to get a degree, I would say.
ना, the issue is the entire education system is based on the marks. So तुझी टीचर कितलीय बरी आसूं, you can get any revolutionary, as long as your evaluation system is the same न्ही, students will still study for marks. कॉपी कित्याक करतात लोक? मार्क्सां खातीर न्ही. इफ यू टीच देम टू लर्न आनी नॉलेज दिवपाक जर शिकयलें आनी यू टेल देम की मार्क्स आर नॉट इम्पॉर्टंट, तुका घे आपूण हांव तुका हे कॅमेराचे लेट्स से आपूण हांव फोटोग्राफी बद्दल हें सगळें शिकयता, यू गो एंड टेक द फोटोज. दॅट पर्सन वील स्टडी, इफ ही इज इंटरेस्टेड, स्टडी एवरीथिंग, टेक द फोटोज. पूण तुवें जर ताका एट द एंड ऑफ म्हणलें की हांव तुज्या एग्जामीन टेस्ट घेवपा आसा, मार्क्स वील डिसायड, देन हील कॉपी. So that entire your system is flawed.
Very nicely put. So okay, so Suresh, आता मातशें आमी खूब सिरियस जाले न्ही, मातशें आमी लायटर टोनार आतां या मरे, वेरीन this part of the podcast I want you to speak about certain health related things. Specific case study बीन अशें म्हाका कांय ना. I want you to guide us and all the people who are watching ki how can we become better and healthier versions of ourselves. So you know, you can speak about what are like the foundational things that you should do, like a habit of drinking water.
Correct.
कळ्ळें. So what that should be the ideal thing, म्हणजे कितले your sleep, what should be the ideal sleep, and a basic food and other activities jitun mare we can live a very healthy lifestyle. Because as I was mentioning it to you, this podcast we are trying to you know, I would say preach or something or educate, but ek lokank कळटले ki you know what actions they can take to make their lives a little bit better. So yeah, whatever you.
So हांव तुका न्ही स्टार्टिंग एक तुका 4-5 पॉइंट्स सांगतलो and we'll elaborate on those points. Let's not miss out on these important.
Yeah.
First thing न्ही, mindset and society. Okay. Second thing is stop focusing on small things. Those finer elements असता पळय, that just stop focusing on that. Third is focus on basics. Okay, if your basics are fine, everything will be fine. Fourth is you need to be flexible and you need to understand that everything is changing and you have to be ready to accept the change. And last thing is it depends on every individualized approach म्हणतात ताका, and that individual has to take it for himself. No one else will be able to. So these are the 5 basic things and आमी start करूया. So first thing हांवें म्हणिल्लें तशें mindset and society. So what is normal? The things which you commonly see, you consider them normal. For example, आमकां हांगा 20 रुपयान कॉफी मेळटा, च्या मेळटात. Let's say coffee 20 ते 40 रुपयान मेळटा. Anything like 100-200 आमी म्हणटली expensive, 10-20 आमी म्हणटली cheap. You go to US and you will get coffee for like $3, which is around 250-260 rupees.
Yeah.
So थंय जर तुका 260 USचा मनीस हांगा येयलो 250 ची कॉफी, he will not say it's expensive. His normal is different than our normal. That's because whatever you see in your general society is the normal for you. If you see 10 children play every single day, the day they don't play, it is abnormal. You are living in a society where children play every day. As burgina, everyone will say, as burgi kirak na, because that's abnormal. If in a society there are more children but no one plays, they घराकडे बसून मोबाईलचेर असता. If they play, then it becomes abnormal. So your surroundings decide what is normal. So if you live in a society who focuses on health aspect, chances are that you will also focus on health and you will remain better. आता पहिली कितें म्हणटाले की शहरान लोक अनहेल्दी जातात, विलेजीन लोक हेल्दी उरतात. That's because their lifestyle was different. आता जर if we go मिरामार जर गेलो सांचो, there are so many people running, jogging. So करंजाय मिरामार एरियान that thing is normal. If एक 60 वर्सांचो जाणटो मनीस जर येवन धांवपाक लागलो थंय, लोक अरे तुका पळोवन बरें दिसलें म्हणटले. नो वन विल आस्क अरे कित्याक धांवता काय म्हणून. तूं एका गांवान रावता, ओके, एंड सी इन गोंयान खंयचोच गांव उरूना. दे हॅव एडिक्वेट फेसिलिटीज, रस्ते आसात, गाडयो आसात, बायक्स तरी आसात, बँक्स, क्लिनिक्स सगळें आसा, ऑर एटलीस्ट इट इज विदिन हाफ एन आवर. सो आतां गांवान दॅट कायंड ऑफ hardships, physical hardships uruna. No one in Goa at least walks 5 kilometers and gets water and काय तसले जायना. So basically their life has also become like ours. Only thing हांगा फ्लॅटान रावन स्ट्रेस घेतात, ते गांवान घरांनी रावन स्ट्रेस घेतात. So if a गांवचो मनीस फाल्यां मदींच, आय एम जस्ट गिविंग एक्झाम्पल्स, इट्स लायक एवरी गांव इज डिफरंट, मदींच जर तो धांवपाक लागलो ऑन द रोड सांचो, वेर नो वन एल्स इज रनिंग, एवरीवन विल बी लायक अरे कितें जालें रे. Second example, if you are fit, अरे तू जिमान वता, डायटर आसा, कित्याक रे तू बारीक आसा मरे. सो बारीक आनी फिट आसा, जिमान वता, जिम कित्याक द पीपल वॉट दे असोसिएट जिमान वचप, डायट करप कोणें, जे लोक मोठे आसा तांणी. सो दॅट एंटायर वॉट इज नॉर्मल कन्सिडर्ड बाय आवर सोसायटी इज डिफरंट. If you live in a healthy society, there are higher chances की तू health habits easily build करपाक शकतलो without any resistance. Okay, कित्याक human nature असता की बाबा आपूण हे कितें डिफरंट करता. Is it odd? सकाळी सगळे 8 उठतात, तू सकाळी 6 उठून there are certain people who take it in a positive way की कोण करना पण आपूण करता. But then there are certain people, अरे कोण करना हांव करता, म्हाका लोक पिशे तरी म्हणपाना न्ही. Okay, so that is very important. आणि मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट कितें जाता, लेट्स से यू आर फॅट आनी तूं जर 10 किलो देंवयता एंड यू कम इन टू नॉर्मल रेंज, फर्स्ट थिंग पीपल आर गोइंग टू से अरे बारीक जालो मरे. एंड दिस इज एस्पेशली ट्रू फॉर गर्ल्स, बिकॉज आमच्या गोंयान पीपल आर स्लायटली यूज टू सीइंग गर्ल्स हू आर स्लायटली कितें म्हणटा ते ऑन अ हेवियर सायड. दॅट इज द नॉर्मल. सो जर कोणी चली जर बारीक असले, वी कन्सिडर BMI एंड ऑल, एवरीथिंग इज फायन, BMI इज फायन, वेट इज ओके, हाईट इज ओके, ते पळोवपाक बारीक दिसता. पीपल विल कंटिन्युअसली टेल हर की अगो कितलें बारीक आसा, मोठे जा मुगो, मोठे जा. दोज थिंग्स प्ले ऑन युअर हेड आनी मागीर ते एक्चुअली मोठे जावपाक लागतले. आनी दे डोंट नो हाऊ टू मोठे जावप म्हणून इन अ गुड वे यू हॅव टू इन्क्रीज मसल. तांकां तितली नॉलेज ना, इट्स नॉट आउट देर इन पब्लीक, सो दे विल यूज एनी अदर वे आनी अशीच जस्ट मोठी जातली आनी हेल्थ तांचे वाट लागतले. This is why the role of society is very important as far as inculcating healthy habits. What are your society चे normal is concerned. Okay, जितले लोक भोंवतात हांगा थंय भोंवतात न्ही, they'll get to know about these things very well. This is normal in this, थंय ते normal न्ही. Okay,
but in any society I think being healthy should be the bare minimum.
Yeah, but then the definition of healthy is different.
That also is there.
एक ट्राइब आसा in Ethiopia which is considered ज्यांचे पोट मोठे असता पण दादले, they are the most attractive people.
Okay.
I don't remember the name, but I had seen it somewhere. So this is extreme, but if you see in Europe, okay, लोक म्हणटाले की बाबा no, they are different genetics than us. See in Europe and US, how things are different. European त्यांचे cuisine is different. 12-14 grams of sugar on any packet, they are banning it in Europe. America is the sugar factory. And Indian 33-40 grams of sugar per 100 grams of any खंयचेय label काडून पळय. You go to a departmental store आणि थंय कितें कसले packets असतात 30 gram 40 gram, that's normal. So that is where the definition of healthy is different. आता गोड कितें, गोड तिखट, these are all the things which you are used to. If a European person comes over here and eats आमचे food तो म्हणटलो ती कसा म्हणून. We go to Europe आणि म्हणटा शी जेवणाक काय टेस्ट ना. टेस्ट कित्याक ना? बिकॉज यू आर यूज्ड टू हाय सॉल्ट, हाय फॅट, हाय शुगर फूड. ते तुका थंय मेळना. सो इट्स हॅबिट्स आणि वॉट यू आर यूज टू दॅट यू विल बी युअर नॉर्मल. थंयच्यान चेंज जावपाक न्ही भरपूर फरक पडटा. सेकंडली आमी आतां हेल्दी हॅबिट्स बी म्हणटात पळय ताका आमी लायफस्टायल मॉडिफिकेशन म्हणटा. लेट्स से यू आर एट 90 kgs आणि युअर आयडियल वेट शूड बी एट 70 kgs. तू करता डायट करता, एक्सरसाइज करता, हें तें सगळें करता, 3-4 महिन्यांनी 70चेर येता. Then you go back to your old lifestyle and you're going to again go back to 90 kgs. So the answer is not diet, answer is not exercise, answer is your mindset. तू आजपर्यंत रॉंग गजाल्यो करतालो म्हणून तू ह्या स्टेजीचेर आशिल्लो. You should change your lifestyle completely. So it's more on mindset आणि हाजेर. And whatever you're doing, you should never feel that it is restrictive. And every person is different. Okay, your goals are different. Your starting point is different. So if your goals are not you need not be very strict about things. But then if your goals are like that, कित्याक थोडे लोक म्हणतात ना आपल्यान 2 वर्सां जाली कांयच खावना भायले. But if you are a kind of a person who cannot tolerate it, don't do it. But you can't keep on doing things which you have been doing all these years and expect things will change. Okay, so that is one thing. Second point हांवें म्हणिल्लें, follow the basics. Basics कितें आसता? एक तर most important is sleep. Okay, you have to have 7 to 8 hours of sleep. It depends on different people. थोड्या लोकांक 8 वरां वयर सुद्दां न्हीद जाय पडपाक शकता. थोडे लोक can function at 6 hours sleep. And as you age, the requirement of sleep decreases. Okay, slowly decrease jata. The simple way is आणि कितें म्हणटात ते everything न्ही what we can measure is better for us to कितें म्हणटात to remain true to it. म्हणल्यार if you are measuring your weight, you are more likely to remain in the. तू तुझें budget measure करता जाल्यार you will save money, all those things. But it's not always true. अरे हांव 7 वरां न्हिदता. But your body may require 8 hours. So main thing कितें, the next day जेन्ना तूं उठता, are you feeling tired? Full दीस तुका full दीस भर next दिसा तुका ओगीच न्हीद येत रावल्या, कांय काम करुना, हें करुना, but you're just feeling sleepy. That means your sleep was either not adequate in quantity or quality. खूब लोक म्हणटा की हांव कॉफी पिता आनी हांव न्हिदता. आय कॅन स्लीप, हांव कॉफी पिवन न्हिदपाक शकता. बट दॅट स्लीप इज नेवर द बेस्ट स्लीप बिकॉज तुज्या बॉडीन कॅफेन आसतलें, युअर ब्रेन वील हॅव कॅफेन and your sleep quality will be poor. You may be very tired, that's why तू न्हीद पडली तुका. Okay, so caffeine intake close to sleep कमी करपाक जाय.
Roughly how many hours?
They say 5 hours is the half life. So it depends on your life and but I would suggest ki post sunset at least don't like 4-5 should be your but it depends ni tuje jar kaam ratche asa. But preferably, as far as health is concerned, you should try to avoid taking coffee or caffeinated drinks in the second half of your day.
Afternoon acha पहिली.
Yeah, it's good. Coffee is good. I am a strong believer that coffee is good because it has very positive effects. But आता तू जर कॉफी एक चमच कॉफीचो घालतलो, 2 चमच साखरेचे घालतले, it's not good. So it has to be. एक just diverge जावन एक सांगता. People say की म्हाका चा शिवाय जायना, म्हाका कॉफी शिवाय जायना. But if someone is addicted to coffee and tea, if you give them black tea and black coffee, they should be able to drink it because what they crave for is coffee, ne? What they crave for is coffee, but they don't. Most of them they don't. They crave for the sugar. तांकां खबर नासता ते दे डोंट नो दे क्रेव फॉर द शुगर इन आनी कॉफी और टी और वॉट एवर बेवरेज इज जस्ट अ मीन्स ऑफ गेटिंग दॅट शुगर. Okay, because sugar also is quite addictive म्हणून like there is a debate on use of word addictive, but yeah, you get तुका ते डोपामिनाची हें जाता न्ही, you get used to it.
Accustomed to it.
Yeah,
Used.
so तुका ती जाय पडटा, and coffee and tea is the easiest way, because I feel if you are really craving for caffeine in any form should be okay, but it's not. काळी जाल्यार काळी ना नाका ही पिवपा ना बी म्हणटा. Okay, so this was just
No, it's a very interesting way of looking at it. And I think because of the whole marketing around coffee is such, it's become like a fancy thing also.
no, but actually speaking, coffee is good for health. Like I
But
have and
so,
I will.
so talk as a doctor. Just talk in what form is it?
No, so if you are having coffee, you should have like a proper beans which are brewed, कितें म्हणटा ते ground beans. आणि you should not be adding milk or sugar in the raw form. आता तू वचून स्टारबक्सान वचून if you are taking that latte with all the toppings and all that, then basically the positive effects of coffee are
Lost.
lost अशें न्ही, but negative effects of all the other things are more.
More.
Also limit aspac जाय. You can't keep on drinking coffee because ultimately it's a stimulant. Okay, the more caffeine in your body, तुझे हार्टाचेर there will be cardiac stimulant effect, which to some degree is good, but not एक 300 grams 300 mg एक upper limit असता. Obviously it will vary in people to people, but then you are not supposed to go beyond that.
Beyond.
Similarly, chocolate is good for health, very good for health, because tanga antioxidants असता, but not the chocolate which we get in the market. तातून extra sugar, extra because Indian taste, people cannot taste that कडू जर chocolate अशी हे केल्या मार्केटान वचपाच ना.
Dark chocolate. And
Yeah.
most of the time.
And also if you see, you go to the store and dark chocolate पळयली न्ही, dark chocolate will have higher sugar content than a milk chocolate, because म्हणून whatever is normally marketed, because it's very difficult for Indian people, normal people to eat it. तुका इतले थोडे आसतल्यो which will not get sold without sugar.
लोक हे इज इट अ पर्स्पेक्टिव्ह थिंग जाल्यार सांग म्हाका, करेला बीन लोक खूप आवडीन खातात पळय, करेला
I
की
don't
सब्जी
know.
बी म्हणटा त्या भशेन.
They have positive effects, but it is all marketing, I feel.
Yeah.
Anything green simple, anything green is considered healthy. Okay, so हांव परत डायव्हर्ज जाता. You healthy options म्हणून मार खंय, give me 5 healthy cafes आणि ते तुका vegan and vegetarian cafes that because it's a perspective that green is good. Anything which is green is healthy, environment friendly and good, but that's not always the truth.
Yeah.
Okay, so I feel as far as chocolate, coffee and karela, nothing is कितें सांग 100% जी तुका गरज असता. You don't like coffee, you don't like chocolate, you don't have to eat it. अशें न्ही की it is like out of the world that if you don't eat तुझ्या healthy उरपाना. So it depends on your interest as well. It depends on what you like. तू ते daily basisचेर खावपाक शकता, how it makes you feel after eating. तू कॉफी कडू पिवन सामको तू तोंड वांकडे करून फुल दीस रावतलो, then there is no point in drinking coffee. Okay, so let's go back to our
we'll go back, but I wanted to आता तो मध्ये matchaचो ट्रेंड आयलो पळय न्ही, people are very much about matcha.
Yeah, I like about matcha. I have not done that much research, so
Again, that
but
green,
it's a
green
trend.
part of it.
No, it's a trend. Green part the lab, but it's a trend. लोकांनी बंद केलं, everyone will stop.
Especially yeah, you can continue about
So we were in the
Basics.
basics. Okay, so get your adequate sleep. To the next day, you should not feel tired or
fatigue type.
sleepiness चड जाता. Second thing is nutrition. आता nutrition म्हणटकीर लोकांक जेवण दिसता. See, you have to eat to nourish your body. People eat to satisfy their taste buds. आता you can balance it and do it. You need not eat something which is tasteless आणि हे तुका आवडना जाल्यार. But tasty food can also be healthy. Healthy food can also be tasty. आणि your focus should be to get all kinds of nutrients from your food. Indian diets and mostly Asian diets focus on high carbohydrate diet. आमच्या हातून राईस असता, रोटी असता, हाय खूप क्वांटिटी असता. लोक म्हणतात राईस सोडलो, पण देन यू आर इटिंग रोटी. So basically you are substituting one carb source with other. And carbohydrates are not bad, but our food is carbohydrate based food. So even in Eastern Asian countries also it's carbohydrate based. But tatun कितें असता, they eat a lot of seafood and a lot of meat. So तांचे proteins protein भरून येता. Whereas in Indian mostly it is vegetarian food. There is not enough high quality proteins. Now it's not that vegetarian foods don't have protein, but the protein to calorie ratio is not that good. Plus the complete protein nasta. Okay, so as a vegetarian, if you want to complete your protein goals, you need to have knowledge, or you should have someone who will design a diet for you. Jatun they multiple protein sources ashi add kartali that you get all the amino acids. Okay, so it is possible, but and also in India, vegetarian foods are, they just fry it. Mostly vegetarian foods are fried or they are sweetened. Okay, कोण अशी vegetarian nicely like इतली vegetarian असून भाजी हाडली कितें खातात. It's the focus is on other things. Okay,
correct.
So eating fruits, different kinds of fruits is also good. So all those things you should eat to nourish, and you should also know how many flexibility. You should also know कि some kinds of diet will make you deficient in particular things, and you should be open to supplement it with supplements. Like for example, vegetarian and B12 and vitamin D. B12 almost is non-existent. Vitamin D is very minimal. So you should be open to taking those supplements so that to apply vitamin B12 and D levels चड दवरपाक शकता.
Okay, little bit going. It's part of this only, but little bit away from the thing is like how we can come to know about what your body requires.
Your body requires almost everything.
Yeah.
So it is.
खंय deficient आसा आणि हे ते.
So if you want to find out about the deficiencies, you can do blood tests. Okay. So blood test करपाक जाता. But directly असं पळोवंक गेलो, if you are living a healthy lifestyle, mostly everything will be in control. Now, I feel if you know what is wrong with you, you can take adequate steps at the right time so that the things don't worsen. So because of which, I feel most of the people should do, I feel almost everyone should do at least annual blood checkup. Ata obviously if you are diabetic, hypertensive, तुझे checkups much more frequent असपाक शकता. At a very young age, you need not do annual checkups. एकदा तू 30-35 जातकीर you can start doing annual checkups. It depends. Family लोकांक history असा, both parents are diabetic, both parents are hypertensive, then it's better to start early. So तातून basic parameters like blood parameters, liver test, kidney test, and some deficiencies of vitamin D, vitamin B12 बी जर तू पळयलें, and if you find anything is wrong, you can take measures and improve. Okay, but there are two main problems to this. Number one, which is very common, is it's not very कितें म्हणटा तें हांव तुका ताजे बद्दलूय सांगतलो. It is not a very firm point, but it is most said म्हणून उलयतात लोक हाजे बद्दल. Number one is हो ओगीच टेस्ट बरोवन दिता, हो दोतोर ओगीच टेस्ट बरोवन दिता, ताका कितें बेनिफिट आसतलो. So ताका कितें बेनिफिट आसतलो काय ना, I don't know about it, but so should you not care about it. तुझ्या हेल्थाक बेनिफिट आसा, you should be more worried about your health. Okay, so if तुका बेनिफिट आसा, do it. Okay, but this is one of the most frequently said things. But secondly, less said but more like unsaid truth, and the first point is used to validate this thing, is people are very anxious, and there's a ignorance is bliss, or better know what कितें म्हणटा better not know the problem so that I can be happy. Okay, so ताज्या खातीर ह्यो टेस्ट करनात, but you can't directly say की बाबा I don't want to know. You come across as very irresponsible. That's why the first point जो म्हणिल्लो पळय is a very simple that they can say की बाबा ओगीच टेस्ट दिता. The main जशें हांव उदय म्हणिल्लें, the problems keep on changing. 50 years back, medical science had not developed so much. 50 years back, India had not developed so much. The infections and all were like sky high. Most people used to die of infections. So, केन्नाय कोणूय दोतोराकडे वताले, his main aim was to save the life of the person. तूं आयलो बरो ना, हे आयलो जोर आयलो, कित्या खातीर जोर आयला? Do the test to find out the cause of the fever and treat the fever, give them medicines, end of the story. If the patient lives, you are successful. But as science has advanced and as the society has advanced, the problems have changed. So आता the diseases are no longer the म्हणून infectious diseases, they are there. मधी मधी हातून येतात ती, especially they come in seasons. मधी आयले सगळे लोक इन्फेक्ट जाली, then everyone is like how COVID had happened. But पयली अश्यो गजाल्यो खूब जाताल्यो. Currently what people suffer from are known as silent killers, like diabetes, pressure, cholesterol म्हणून I'll tell about cholesterol also. Pressure, diabetes, cholesterol, these are the common used words. Okay, kidney problems. And he problems they are there in your system. If you don't take any action against them, they will not improve. And they don't come with any serious symptoms. Serious symptoms are खातीर ती येनात. So that's why there is no urgency for you to go and check. But they are there. And one fine day, they come out in a very disastrous way. Like for example, to the continuously BP is highest lay. One fine day you will get a stroke, paralysis deathly. You will get a heart attack. Okay. Similarly, cholesterol is चड असल्या अशें जाता. आनी डायबिटीसान किडनी वचपाक शकता. Your vision can go. But तेन्ना लोक कितें म्हणटा, अरे सगळो बरो आशिल्लो, सडनली कितें जालें? So this sudden कितें जाता आसता पळय, there are a few cases where everything is fine and suddenly problem जाता. But most of these things जे आमी sudden म्हणटा, they are not sudden. It's just that they have been living under your nose for more than 10 to 20 years. तुम्ही ते diagnose जावना, and because of which these problems have come up. So simple way, if you पयलींच जर तुका कळ्ळें, and I always say ki your body doesn't know whether you have diabetes. Your body is not judgmental like the society. It doesn't care whether you have diabetes or hypertension. तुझे जर current blood sugar levels normal असले, even if you are diabetic, with some medicines or कितें म्हणटा ते तुझे health changes, or तुझे BP आपल्या कंट्रोलान दवरला with the use of medicines and lifestyle changes, you will not have complications just because you are diabetic or hypertensive. So that is the main aim. की तुका कितें आसा ते तू find out कर. How you will find out? You visit a doctor, do annual blood check, आणि तू adequately steps घेवपाक शकता. Now there are certain individuals who are anxious. कित्याक पळय, if I do my entire blood checkup आणि scans बी केले तर there will be 3 or 4 things which will come up. Not always they are कितें म्हणटा ते important or yeah. But then some people get anxious. But that if that is reducing your quality of life because now you are continuously depressed, okay, for some such individuals you don't take those annual blood tests. But take it with it's choosing up with bad and worse. So I will choose bad rather than worse. So this is about the blood test, and I feel that if you can, you should. You should not be concerned about बाकीचे कितें जाता. You should be concerned about your own health. So now going back to those basic things. So sleep, diet. Thirdly, water intake. Water intake is one of the most important things. Unfortunately, we don't drink enough water. 3 liter पिता, 4 liter पिता. that's not the aim. Aim is your body has to be hydrated. See, there are days where I drink 4 liters. There are days where I drink 6 liters. Because तू कितें काम करता, कितलो तुजे वर्कआउट्स आसतले, काम आसतले, sometimes it's hot, sometimes so many other factors. So simple हें कितें हांव म्हणटा की you see the color of your urine. That will be the best indicator of your hydration status. Yellow urine जाता, that means you are dehydrated. Drink more water. Simple thing, just maintain it. आणि many times न्ही तुका भूक लागिल्ली आसता, sorry, तुका तान लागिल्ली आसता. You don't realize that you are thirsty. तुका दिसता की I am hungry.
Hungry.
You go, you eat, but the thirst will not go. So तुका within 20 minutes you will be again hungry. So तू खायत रावतलो. So you are putting in calories in your body unnecessarily when all you need is a glass of water. Okay, so this is the third thing. Exercise. Exercise is very important. Ata I have heard countless things. No medical books say that you should exercise. No one amka kone पयली सांगून नाशिल्लें. All true, because no one knew that आमी आमचे life इतले sedentary जातले. Okay, because when human beings were born, they were not born with the born म्हणून आमी जेन्ना पयली जाल्ले, we were not meant to have such a sedentary life. There is a reason why each and every muscle has been given to our body. एकटो मनीस जर एका पोलाचेर ह्युमन फ्लॅग करपाक शकता, that means everyone can do it. It's just that we have not trained their muscles properly.
Correct.
Okay,
Right.
evolution हातून I don't think first floor Ravelan Udi Marab should break our bones. But then if you don't want to break your bones, you should be doing it every single day from the age of 2 or 3 with your, yeah. I'm not telling people to do it, but I'm just saying ki, okay, so this is a very good example which I always give. Human body ni, brain especially we use, but even into to all rest of our body, plasticity म्हणून असता. So whatever we do, we get better at it. So आमी न्ही when we were in 11th and 12th आमी 3-4 भुरगे आशिल्ले. So एक concept of physics म्हणून book आशिल्लो. Okay, so आमी 4-5 question easy question solve करताले. Then there used to be 50 questions and एक 4-5 solve केले, that means we have understood this thing. Directly 50th आणि 49th questionाचेर वचा, because they used to be the difficult one. Full दीस ताचेर तकली फोडप and come up with an answer. That 40 question solve करपाक काय इंटरेस्ट नाशिल्लो जितलो तो एक डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करपाक आशिल्लो. ओके, वी यूज टू डू इट. नाव वी कांट. आय कांट. हांव आतां सिंपल कॅल्क्युलस करपाक शकपा ना. 11वी-12वीक आमी करताले न्ही. ओके, सो आतां कित्याक करपाक शकना? बिकॉज आय हॅव नॉट यूज दॅट पार्ट ऑफ माय ब्रेन. So my brain is, our body is very efficient. If you don't use it, whatever you are using it, to improve जातलो. When I had joined MBBS, I couldn't memorize so many things. When just before I had joined, but within 2 to 3 months I could. That's because जितले तू any part of your body to use करता, तितले your that part of the body will get better. Okay, so similarly, if you don't use a particular muscle, आता पळय लोक तू बरे एक्झाम्पल दिलें. यू हॅड एक्सिडेंट, तुझे दोन्ही पाय हे जाले. सो आफ्टर ड्युरिंग द रिकवरी फेज यू मस्ट हॅव नोटीस की तुझे पाय बी बारीक जाल्ले.
करेक्ट.
सो आय हॅड अ एंकल इंजरी विथ एन एक्सिडेंट आणि म्हजो एक पाय हे जाल्लो हातून. सो आफ्टर 7 to 10 days when that small cast was removed, म्हजे एक काफ बारीक आणि एक काफ मोठे. Why is it happening? Because we are not using it, so body doesn't feed it enough. Okay, so continuously muscles need to be used so that they remain in good condition. Okay, and this is very important for your body to function properly. So because आमी इतली strenuous work करनात, that is the reason why our muscles are weak. That is the reason why we need to do these exercises. अशें न्ही की we were meant to do the exercise, we were meant to do it in the raw form. If someone is doing a labor work by lifting all this चिरे बी उबारून जर काम करता, he need not go and do extra work in the gym. He can, but no need. खुबश्यो बायलो म्हणटा आपूण मोठी जाता, पूण फूल दीस काम करता, खूब काम करता घरा कडेन, पूण तरी मोठी जाता. इफ आय टेल देम की बाबा ना यू गो फॉर अ वॉक, ना 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 आपूण ऑलरेडी इतलें काम करता. सी द हाऊस होल्ड वर्क is a mental exhaustion. It causes mental exhaustion more than physical exhaustion. But if you do a mentally exhausting task, your body will give you signals and make your body tired so that you take rest. Just आता तू if you are working on an edit, okay, एकाच स्टुलाचेर चेरार बस 4-5 वरां तकली फोडून फोडून त्या एडिटेचेर काम कर. एट द एंड ऑफ द हे तू टायर्ड आसतलो. Your body will, your brain will send signals की तुझा पाय दुखता, हात दुखता, so that you go and take rest. Otherwise तू धावपाक वतलो and you will be even तुझे mental exhaustion आनी चड जातलें. So that is a difference. So mental exhaustion will not burn your so much calories that you will like you think that it is at कितें म्हणटा तें same as working out or going for a walk. So that it is real. I am not denying की बाबा काम करून तांकां त्रास जायना. Obviously जाता. लोक 10-12 वरां अभ्यास करता कित्याक त्रास जाता. Obviously because it is mental exhaustion. But the simple way the body reacts is gives you physical तुझे मातशे हात दुखता, पाय दुखतले, फाट दुखतली, so that you will take rest. और तुका न्हीद येतली. Okay, so where were we? की आमी exercise करप is very important. Exercise also two forms आसता. Cardiovascular endurance exercises for your heart health and muscle strength and muscle वाडोवपाक. And muscle strength is the most important aspect for longevity. Okay, so you have to do both. Heart to work out for your heart and work out for your muscle, increasing muscle strength. And then we come to कितें जालें आमचें स्लीप जाली,
Sleep,
हायड्रेशन, न्यूट्रिशन,
exercise.
Okay, so these are the basic things. Okay, and it is always better you have some कितें म्हणटात तें a hobby or something that will de-stress you. Because आमची body continuously stress hormone levels are high. So a basic example is stress hormone was given to us to deal with acute stress.
Okay.
Okay, for example, we call it fight or flight. These are all my examples for better understanding. But okay, medically taka matche nuances asat, but it is a simple way of explaining. If we were meant to be in jungles, junglan busल्या फुडे वाघ आयलो. Now your body knows that it's a stressful condition. It will release stress hormone. Now you will assess whether you can fight it or flight, means run away from it. So you will assess ki baba no, I can't fight it, I will run away from it. So tu धावतलो. So now while you are running, your stress hormone is increased so that it gives your muscles from your legs and hand all the ability to get away from that stressful situation. Okay. तेन्ना वाटेर जर तुका कोची तोपली, you will not feel the pain. You will go once वाघ गेलो थंयच्यान, then तुका पांयाक दुखपा लागतले. Then तू पळयतलो कोची आसा. Similarly when you said लोकांचो एक्सिडेंट जाता, ते इमिजिएटली दोग जाण उठतात, झगडपाक लागतात. Then everything is done, everyone is gone. Then तांकां लोक म्हणटा अरे आत्तां झगडटालो आतां कितें हें जालां. Similarly a soldier at ताका गुळी लागता, still he continues fighting till the end of the day. मागीर ताका पेन जाता. This is all done because the stress hormone is high and it gives you the ability to go from the stress. कित्याक तेन्ना जर तुज्या पांयाक कोची तोपल्या, ती जर तू काडपाक बसलो वा घेवन तुका खातलो आशिल्लो. So this was the main aim of your stress hormone. Unfortunately, we have trained our brain in such a way that non-life threatening situations have become stressful. Exam asa stress, but why? That's why हात थरथरता, because your body is giving you the things to run and पाय कडकडटा, हात थरथरता, because it thinks that because stress hormone is only one, it cannot differentiate. That hormone cannot differentiate की तुझ्या फुडे exam आसा काय वाघ आसा. So we need to train our एक कितें म्हणटात जाणा like reorganize our priorities. Like what should we actually be scared of? What is okay to be scared of and what is not okay. When things can go wrong, doesn't matter. So because of which आमचे हें बरें जातलें. आनी similarly if you have hobbies, actual genuine hobbies, not like trendy hobbies. 10 लोक गार्डनिंग करता, तू गार्डनिंग केलें न्ही. If you actually have good hobbies जे तुका खरेंच आवडटा, whenever you do something you feel really nice about it न्ही, then actually your stress hormone levels come down, and which is very important for the कितें म्हणटा तें तुजी longevity, because these things kill you more than your diet and other things. अरे तो सगळं क्लीन खातालो, एक्सरसाइज करतालो, मेलो कित्याक? Constantly stressed, constantly sleep deprived. Okay, so these are the things. Yeah, to your basic. So then we come to the fourth point. Fourth point is like we overcomplicate small things. Okay, for example, लोक म्हणटा प्लास्टिकाच्या बॉटलान उदक पिनाका. True, because plastic bottles are not that good. But main thing is drink water. तुझ्याकडे where you stand, that also is important. Currently what is important is water. आता okay, तुझ्याकडे भरून ग्लास असा आणि हे असा, then you go for it. Similarly, chicken खाय नाका, चिकनान steroids. But if you keep on seeing all these things, so काय खावपाक पावपाना?
Correct.
Fruits, vegetables and pesticides असतले. Everything has something or the other.
Yeah.
So if your life, if you have settled everything, then you can see these micro things. But when nothing is settled, then you cannot focus on these micro things and take you even away from your goals. Okay, so that is very important. Ata, I can't give you more examples, but we tend to think about small little things. Okay, for example, if I want to make a content, okay, this is a very vague example, but माझ्याकडे mic ना, so I will not make the content. But phone has the mic नी. So एकदा तुझे हे जाता की you can invest, then you invest in the mic. So how कितें म्हणटा की you focus on the basic things more. Once everything is settled, now if you want to make it better, you go and fix these things.
So don't overcomplicate things.
Yeah, get your basics right, then you go ahead नी. तुझे basics सारखे नसताना तू why are you आता even exercise, how exercise करू तो exercise करू, how करू काय तो तातून, and YouTubers are making money out of that, yeah. But main thing is go and exercise first. Once you exercise, once you are, yeah, then you research ki baba which is better, which I can do to. तू जर exercises करना ना, आपल्या तो बरो exercise असा तो करपाक जायना, I'm not yet there. Start. Then you can figure out and you will get better at it. So similarly, you drink enough water. सगळे कर, एक कर, then you can make things better. की तू आपलं how I can enhance my like sleep म्हणून पहिले तुझ्या हे नाशिल्ले, but तू जर तुझ्याकडे, because these things जे आसा पळय, even after doing it right, you are not going to guarantee results. म्हणलं if you get 10 ग्लासाच्यो bottles, but if you don't have the habit of drinking water, तो glass असू plastic असू, you will not drink. So first get the basic right, and then you move to the next year. And last हांवें तें म्हणिल्लें तें flexibility म्हणून कितें research is coming up. Okay, so whatever was true in 30 years back, आता new research may say की बाबा नो हाजेर आनी फुडें advances आयल्या. Okay, so that you should understand की तू म्हणपाक शकना की बाबा 30 वर्सां फाटीं आपल्याक हें सांगिल्लो, आपलो तो एकट्या कोणे तरी फ्रेंडान आपूण तें करून I have come here. But now the things have changed. You should
It's
be
basically you have to be adaptable.
You should be adaptable. So that, yeah, correct. Adaptable, but न्ही एक कितें आसा आतां one more important thing about social media जे information लोक घेता, people don't realize की even if, see, I am a doctor, okay, हांव म्हजे social media घालता, hundreds of doctors are putting but दोतोरांक time नसता, तांकां SEO बी सगळें कांय कळना. Their good articles are right down.
Yeah.
Whereas जो मनीस who spends more time just knowing about SEO, yeah, ताचो article first. Every single day we may wake up with a headache. पूण तूं इंटरनेटाचेर मारतकीर headache number 1 येतलो brain tumor म्हणून. And I'm just giving an example.
I wanted to ask you regarding this only. आम्ही मरे every time like कितें जालें जाल्यार Google करता or Chat GPT आतां करपाचें हें आसा पळय, I'm feeling so and so, like what is it, and then they will give you some vague complicated thing, brain tumor अशें आसा. When you as a doctor you are studying about different diseases. तू केन्ना like in that amateur mind were you getting worried की अरे this I'm
Every time. Everyone does it. New chapter वाचलो, आपल्याक आसा शेतां. I think almost 80 to 90% MBBS students will go through this.
Yeah.
We used to discuss also, "Ari, हे सगळ्या समोर आहे म्हाका." So this is relatability. Okay, it is not always true. You will be able to relate to things which are which you also see. But magir as things broaden, you understand. Secondly, ChatGPT म्हणले म्हणून म्हाका एक बरें हें जालें. So now people are saying that ChatGPT says this, ChatGPT says that as far as health is concerned. एक मेन इम्पॉर्टंट हे आसा की इज ChatGPT गुड फॉर हेल्थ एडवाइस ते मागीर येवचें. आर यू गुड इनफ टू आस्क ChatGPT द रायट क्वेश्चन?
Right questions.
ओके,
Correct.
आतां सगळे फाटी गिबली ट्रेंड आशिल्ली. देर वॉज अ प्रॉम्प्ट विच पीपल यूज टू शेअर. तो प्रॉम्प्ट तुवें घालो, गिबली इमेज येताली. बट मेक अ गिबली इमेज म्हणून अशें जर तुवें बरयलें, इट मे नॉट कम. Unless that ChatGPT they do research, because there's a proper prompt. That's why you need AI experts to put proper prompts to get the right answer.
Correct.
So if you have a condition, if you have like 4 symptoms, you as a patient directly putting those symptoms versus you coming to me, me giving you advice, versus the third thing, me taking your symptoms and putting on ChatGPT. All 3 things may come different, because the way I see it, आणि ज्याचेर हांव चड इम्पॉर्टन्स दिवपाक शकता आनी हें करपाक शकता, because as doctors we take deep history. ChatGPT causes of headache म्हणले तो 100 causes हाडून दितलो तुका, आणि SEO चेर whichever is better will be on top. Whereas if you ask, if you tell a doctor, he will see 5 other things की तो केन्ना जाता, कसो जाता, associated with what, currently सगळ्यांक headaches आसा, currently what is the
Trend.
so if a doctor is putting it on ChatGPT, I don't think currently no one is doing it, but then his response, what he'll get is different, because he has assessed 5 different, whereas you have not. So इतले जेन्ना especially in Goa, when you get doctors at doorsteps, currently going and getting AI and AI is better. AI may be better, but are you
Asking the
good
right.
enough to ask the right questions? You are not, because तुका खबर ना न्ही कितें विचारपाचें तें.
That's a right way of putting it. Yeah. Anything you wanted to finish up this or
No, so yeah,
So
तितलेंच
so
जालें.
to sum it up, like to the last point, it is about like how Darwin had said, like it's not the survival of the fittest, it's the survival of the species that is the most
Adaptable, correct.
Yeah. So adaptability.
Adaptability is very important, because जशें research जाता न्ही, you come to know a lot of things. Like for example, आता this lifestyle changes हाचेर, if you actually focus on your lifestyle changes, it gives you very good results as far as your diabetes and all these things are concerned. Okay, जे पयलीं it was not that much, because लोकूय करनाशिल्ले, ताजेर रिसर्चूय जावन आशिल्लो. So so ताजे खातीर it has come later. But now if you know that lifestyle will give you almost similar results in certain condition, then why not do it? तुका कित्याक मेडिसिन सगळीच घेवन things complicate करपाक जाय.
Correct.
Also, लोक कितें करता, one more thing, very important thing happens in society, all or none. If I tell you कि baba no, focus on your lifestyle, which is important for your diabetes or hypertension, whatever, doesn't mean कि तुवें तो tablets जो दिल्या तो बंद करपाच्यो. They also play a role. Maybe with your lifestyle we'll be able to decrease those doses. Okay, and maybe one fine day you may have developed so much that we may be able to stop them. Doesn't mean that you stop it right now, because एक गजाल याद धरपाची आसा, 50 years of कितें म्हणटा तें bad eating, bad habits, all those things have got you over here. You can't expect it to go back in 3 months.
Correct.
So also आनी अशें आसता, 20 वर्सां 40 वर्सां सोरो पितात, लिवर सिरोसीस जाता, लिवर फेल जाता, पेशंट हॉस्पिटलान मरता, and then they blame the doctor. कितें करपाक शकतलो दोतोर? Doctor cannot do anything in this. At the most he can just reduce his pain, or the पोटान उदक भरला तें आमी काडपाक शकता. But the fate is clear न्ही, because 40 years it has taken. If we had to do it at like 2 years, 3 years, it would have been different.
Good. I think we had a very healthy discussion.
Hopefully सगळ्यांनी हे करपाक
खूब
शकतले.
I think like generally दुसऱ्या पॉडकास्टान also like कितें मदीं मदीं उलोवपाक वयता but like I was so engrossed into like listening to what you have to say आनी first hand आमकां मेळटा and as I said someone who's like आतां इट्स लायक हांव तुका पळयता तेन्ना यू आर लायक माय फ्रेंड हांव असो पळयना की कोण म्हाजो अंकल म्हाका सांगता सो इट इज आय टेंड टू टेक इट मोर सिरियसली एनी बिकॉज तशें आसा सो या एनीथिंग यू वॉन्ट टू एड मोर ऑर वी कॅन
एकूच लायन आय विल से की लायक यू शूड फोकस ऑन युअर सेल्फ भायर कितें जाता इट्स सेकंडरी टू युअर आनी सेकंडली फिक्स द बेसिक्स अरे इतलेच दॅट इज ओनली वॉट इज रिक्वायर्ड टू यू
एक्झॅक्टली
तितलेच कर ऑन टॉप ऑफ दॅट इफ देर इज एनी प्रॉब्लेम देन वी कॅन हेल्प बट विदाउट गेटिंग द बेसिक्स रायट थिंग्स आर डिफरंट
like they say aeroplane jenna if something goes wrong in the aeroplane they say तुझो सीट बेल्ट तू पयली घाल मागीर दुसऱ्याक हेल्प कर so that's the right way so on this note I think it was lovely having you here Suyash आणि I think आणि फुडें we will meet more often and discuss about maybe more specific topics
Yeah.
also if audience wants to know something they can leave a comment and ask and probably we can
Yeah, sure.
do
More
this
than happy
again.
to come back and answer
Do
those
this again.
questions.
Thank you so much for coming.
Yeah.
Yes.
वाव दॅट वॉज जस्ट अमेझिंग म्हाका दिसता ह्या एपिसोडान म्हाका मदीं तेका आडोवसो दिसलो ना ओ तेका क्रॉस क्वेश्चन करूं अशें दिसलें ना आय वॉज जस्ट लिसनिंग टू ऑल द विजडम एंड नॉलेज दॅट ही हॅड टू शेअर आय होप ह्या पॉडकास्टांतल्यान तुमकां कितें तरी तुमच्या हेल्था बद्दल कळा आसतले सर्टन टिप्स अँड ट्रिक्स दॅट यू कॅन फॉलो टू बिकम अ हेल्थियर वर्जन ऑफ युअर सेल्फ इतलेंच सांगून हो पॉडकास्ट हांगा सोंपयता तुमकां जर हो व्हिडिओ लायक जालो जाल्यार लायक करात तुमकां कितें सांगून दिसलें जाल्यार कमेंट करात आनी तो सबस्क्रायब बटन आसा तो प्रेस करपाक विसरनाकात आमी परत येतले आनी एक गेस्ट घेवन ऑन बालकांव डायरीज